Good morning, guys! Kamusta? So, pansin nyo, kaming dalawa lang today. Kasi syempre may work si Daddy Albert. Alec is off and the school.
Yeah, and then my mama said, kaya na school from that? No, I'm not going to school. Huh? It's off day. Why? Okay, don't need. Oh, okay. And then, that's so weird.
So,
and then I just go.
we decide na umalis kami. Malapit lang na may pupuntahan namin dito. So, it's first time that we're going na hindi namin kasama si Daddy Albert.
You see this, right? And then here, there's a little baby.
So, samahan nyo kami sa pupuntahan namin. Pupunta kami sa isang city. We're going to other city. So, let's see. See you later, guys. Keep watching. And thank you po sa aming almost 18K followers.
Also my header video.
Pag nag-live ako, magpapaano tayo? Papa-Gcash tayo ulit. See you later, guys. Keep watching our video. Nakadating na kami dito sa Batavia stand, fashion outlet. How's it, Alec?
Gray, white, gray, white, gray.
So maglalakad kami rito. Weather is nice today. It's not too hot. Sunny. And outdoor siya. Pero maganda. Mahaba siya. Yeah, let's go, Alec.
Like this.
Doon, anak. Huwag naman sa bata. Halika.
Fine.
Line.
Oh my God.
Sandro. Wait. Na. Bibidyo ko. Wait. Lacoste. And the standard. Meron din silang Michael Kors. May Under Armour. May Armani outlet. May veil. Si Alec. Ayan.
Mommy?
Michael Kors na. This donut. We're gonna eat Dunkin' Donut. Kakain na kami dito sa McDo. So, meron siyang nuggets, merong apple, at merong donut. Alec,
Yeah?
ano yung in-order mo? Milk? Tapos may french fries. So, kakain muna kami. Nakapag-ikot-ikot na kami rito. And then, uwi na kami. Yung maliit pwede, anak, yung malaki eh, mahal.
I have this one.
Hi guys! Alec!
Hi guys!
So nakauwi na kami. Grabe. Layo biyahe namin. Pero I'm happy kasi nakabili ako ng siling maanghang.
Yeah, we know
And
you're silly maanghang, Mommy.
nakabili kami ng swan. Yung binibili namin sa Dubai. Doon sa Arabic.
Pounds one.
Tawag dito sa Arabic sa Arabic parang grocery, ganon. Tapos si Alec, anong nabili mo?
Nabili ko to.
Pati ipakita mo sa guys.
Ito, tsaka may slime din. Galito ko nga sa daddy ko nga eh.
Para, kasi nga, ayaw na yung daddy niya ng slime. Malagod daw siya sa daddy niya. Pero actually, it was fun, Alec, diba?
Yeah.
It was fun. Only me and Alec. It's okay. The good thing dito is, hindi ka naman pwede mag-speed. So, kung kaya mo mag-drive sa Dubai, so hindi mahirap dito kasi mas madali mag-drive dito dahil ang speed limit dito.
Look at my walkie-talkie. Walk, walk, walk. Hi, mommy.
So, ang speed limit kasi rito, mas mas mabagalan kesa doon sa Dubai. Nakakaantok nga. Imagine mo, meron mga speed limit, 50 kilometers lang. So, kakaantok mag-drive. Pero, okay lang. At least, it's much better kasi may bata akong kasama. And then, yun yung mga pintahan namin. Nag-enjoy naman kami. And, it was fun, Alec, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you for watching our video, guys.
Watching our video.
See you again in next video.
See you again in next video.
Doy doy.
Doy doy.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yun lang. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Magandang umaga.